Welcome back, house hunters. Today I have 3 properties for you, and the last one you're going to want to stick around for. I'm going to show you how you can buy this property and live in it while it makes money for you. So this is going to be a really good show today. Everything is $20,000 or less, and we're starting with this house in Kansas. Look at this cute little house. This house is $19,500. It's in Ness City, Kansas, and it has 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,326 square feet. So let's jump in and take a look. We've got 15 photos to look at before we get into the details of the house. But look at the front of this house, how cute it is. It's going to need a little bit of paint, a little bit of elbow grease, and it's just so precious. So somebody has been very creative. They've used lots of colors in this house. That's okay. I like color, but you're going to want to change it probably to suit your attitude and the way that you want to live. But look at this carpet. I guarantee you that underneath this carpet, you're going to find hardwood floors. And I wonder if they're going to leave this furniture. I kind of like it. And that must be the living room. We've got some sort of a room here with a dining room table and some chairs. So let's say it's the dining room, but it is yellow. And it looks like you've got maybe some vinyl flooring here. But again, we're going to want to check for those hardwood floors. We all want that. And this is the kitchen. And for me, the stove sells it. I would love to have this stove. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's get a little drink of water before we cough. The only thing that I'm confused about in this house is the flooring. I'm hoping this is not some sort of carpet. It looks like it is, but we don't want carpet in the kitchen. Come on, people. So we're going to pull that up anyway to look for the hardwood floors, but vacuum it. It will work until you can get a new flooring in there. We've painted the bathroom a lovely shade of aqua, suitable for a bathroom. But look at the original tub. This is absolutely beautiful. And they have the same flooring as in the kitchen. That's a little disturbing, but it's going to work for a minute. So, so far this house is looking like we just need some elbow grease and a vacuum cleaner. This I like the color of this room. You might want to keep that, but look at the detail in these windows. These are pretty. I love these, and I don't know what this piece of furniture is right here, but I like that also. Maybe they'll leave that for you. They have planned on working on this house. This looks like hardwood floor right here. So you may be in luck. You may be getting some replacement for hardwood floor. There's a built-in shelf here in this room. I don't know if this is the same room. It could be orange. It could be red. I'm not sure. But our plaster is coming loose right here, but that's not really a big deal. This is a chain, so don't think that this is a big crack in the wall. This is some sort of chain. They probably have had a light fixture running through this, the wiring for a light fixture running through this chain to an outlet. So let's move on. We've got some colorful stairs. I'm sorry, the multicolor took my sense of speech away for just a minute. So, but we know these stairs are going to be made of wood, so we're going to take that carpet up and we're going to find some really pretty stairs under there. And that looks like a display case. Maybe they'll leave it. You can do something with that, but this orange is growing on me. This house is great. I love this house. I wonder if this is a bedroom upstairs. And we've got a wood floor here. I don't know if this is like tongue and groove, but it's a wood floor. We're going to sand it. We're going to put some stains, some varnish on it. It's going to be great. And this is obviously upstairs. You could use this as a bedroom. You could use this as a game room. But you're getting a rug. And look at this. You're getting a loom. That is a full loom. So you can teach yourself to make the rug that you're sitting on. But Oh man, I hope they're leaving all this furniture. There's some beautiful chairs. Don't tell my husband I love chairs and he thinks I'm crazy. So this has to be on the other side of the house upstairs, and they have at one point used this for a bedroom. We've got a mattress in here. You're going to have to do some work on the plaster, but it doesn't look like that it has rain damage. So hopefully the roof is in good shape. It's just that the plaster is old. All in all, these rooms do not look bad, and this is a really cute house. Let's go back to the listing and get some details for you. Okay, the lot that is on is 8,276 square feet. It was built in 1890. Oh my goodness, that's why we have all those wood pieces, the character of the 1890s in there. It is a fixer-upper, Nest City, Kansas. 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1.5 story, full of character and potential. And that's what we're all about. We're about the potential of what could be our dream house. A nice layout, classic charm, ready to go in any direction you choose, whether you're looking for a renovation project, investment opportunity, or a home to make completely your own. This is a great opportunity, you guys. If you live in Kansas already, you're going to want to go and check this out. Even if you don't keep it for yourself, you can put a little bit of work into this and turn around and sell it and make a good profit. So we're going to check out the street view. And I love the tree there in front of the house. So here we are on North School Street, looks like. And you know what? This neighborhood is really clean. And you have a vacant lot across from you, which is nice. Wonderful. This is a wonderful little neighborhood. So you do have sidewalks there. I don't know where you park. Let's go back and see if they say anything about that. Okay, it does not have any type of central heating and cooling. It says heating is none. I don't know that I believe that. It has to have some sort of heating. It is single family in a residential neighborhood. Public sewer, public water. And the annual taxes is $92. Oh my goodness. Okay, so estimated payment if you were able to get a loan would be $116 a month. So I think that's pretty affordable, but we did not see anything about parking. But like I said, if you are in Kansas, you need to get in touch with the agent and go and take a look at this. This is an excellent opportunity for $19,500. So if you're looking it up, this is on Zillow. You can see right there at the top, Zillow. It's 120 North School Street, Nest City, Kansas. Just go to Zillow and then contact the agent right there. And go and look at this cute little thing. This could be a wonderful place to live. Okay, next we're going to Arkansas, and we have a trailer for $19,900. But it is on, let's see if I can find this. Oh, it's on like 3/4 of an acre of land. So it's not in a park. Oh, what? Somewhere it told me that. Here, this home sits on a lot that is 0.34 acres. So that may not be 3/4 of an acre. I'm sorry. I'm not good with fractions. Let's go and look at the pictures. So this is the outside, and this is the kitchen. And I have looked at these pictures, and in my opinion, this house doesn't need that much work. It's almost move-in ready. So if you're looking for something that you can live in while you're working on it, I think this is a good opportunity. There is a little bit of damage on this wall right here. Unfortunately, we can't make it any bigger to see if it's just like if it's been kicked or what. It doesn't look brown like water stains, so hopefully it's just some sheetrock that needs to be replaced. But look at this bathroom. I mean, the worst thing about this bathroom is the wallpaper. Buy a can of paint and paint over that while you do something more permanent later. There's always a temporary fix to get you through. They have taken the carpet up in this. I'm going to say this is probably the master bedroom because it has 2 closets. But we can live with that for a little bit. Okay, so that's all of the photos that we have on that. But again, for $19,900 on its own lot that you're not paying lot rent on, this is an amazing deal in Arkansas. So it is a 16 by 80 mobile home. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Unfortunately, we didn't see the other 2 bedrooms. It's 1,280 square feet. That's a lot of space in a mobile home. And looks like this is through Remax. It's been on the market for 40 days. It was built in 2000. It says no heating and no cooling. I doubt that that's true too, but again, you're going to want to do your own due diligence. You're going to want to call this agent and go and take a look at this because this is an affordable home. It may not be your dream home, but it's a very affordable home. So if you were to finance this house, put down almost $4,000, your monthly payment is going to be $128. We can do that. So this is on homes.com. See here at the top, homes.com. Just go on there and look up 112 South Mississippi Street in Gould, Arizona. And then get in touch with Miss Linda Jaggers here and tell her that you want to see this. I mean, this is a really nice place for less than $20,000. Okay, so next is the house that you're going to buy for $20,000, and it's going to make money for you. It's going to take some work to make that money for you, but just imagine living there and not having to make a monthly payment because you have financed this for $20,000. And it's going to make your mortgage payment for you, and I'm going to show you how. First, let's look at the pictures. So we do have a 2-story that's probably an attic, so I'm not going to say it's 3-story. And looks like it's on a city street somewhere. Maybe it is 3 stories. Look at that window right there. We're about to find out. We're missing a window right here, so we're going to have to replace that. Here's the back. Oh, wow, look at this. This bay window. I bet this is the living room. Can't really tell what's going on with the floor. I don't know if that's vinyl or hardwood floors, but you're going to find that out when you go and look at it. We do have a fireplace here. I'm not sure that it's a working fireplace, but there's always the possibility that you can get it back to being a functioning fireplace. And this is probably a dining room. We do need some work on the ceiling right here, but again, $20,000. This is a small investment for a big opportunity. So here's our stairs. We are missing some spindles, but we can do something about that. We're going to do some work on this house anyway. Nice wide stairs. And these are different stairs, not sure where they are going. Here we have a kitchen. Okay, so I understand what's going on now. So this house has the ability to be a duplex. And once you are finished with your renovations and you set it up to be a duplex again, you can rent out one part of it and live in the other part of it. And it's going to make your mortgage payment for you. So you live here and it's making you money. Oh, wow, look at this. This is the attic. You could actually make that into a livable space. How cool is that? Okay, so we're going to go back to the listing and I'm going to read you the details of this house. We are in Ohio, 417 Cleveland Road in Cleveland, Ohio. 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,452 square feet. It is on almost 4,000 feet of a lot. It was built in 1912. This is an investor opportunity, approximately 1,452 square feet, single unit home on a 4,000 square foot lot at 417 Cleveland Road. The lot is zoned for 2 units, so here you go, allowing conversion to a duplex. Property needs full rehab. Bring your vision and contractors to transform this into a profitable rental or resale. It has municipal water, sewer, natural gas, electric is all available, sold strictly as is. So guys, this is an opportunity to have not only a home, but a business. It does have a basement that is unfinished. So full bath 1, main level bathroom 1. So it looks like there is a bathroom on the first floor and then upstairs somewhere. And there is no cooling at the moment, but you can do something about that. Single family home right now because you haven't bought it and you haven't turned it into a business yet. And what is our annual taxes are $792. Oh my goodness. That is not very much. Let's see what else we can find out. So I do like to look at the tax assessed value, and it has been assessed at $34,500. So spending $20,000 to get this house, you already have equity in it. That's a good thing. So even if you're going to get a loan, you can at least get a loan for $34,000 on this, and you've got a little bit of cushion to start your renovations with. So this is through Zillow. Again, this is the address, and go on Zillow, contact the agent, take yourself over here to look at your new home that's going to be your new business that's going to pay you every month. That is so exciting. I hope that you have enjoyed this. I hope that I have inspired you to do something new in your life. And I hope that you come back for the next episode because this is where the affordable dream starts. Thanks, you guys. Have a good night, and I'll see you later. Bye.